This week in second grade, we are working on problems that look like this. For example, 45 plus 33 equals unknown. And we are using manipulatives that look like this. So we are working with tens and ones and adding more tens and ones. So in this case, we would say 45 plus 33, and the kids have the opportunity to move the manipulatives and add the tens together and the ones together and determine that there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Now, the next step from that, though, is to then realize that we're not always going to have these manipulatives, and they're going to need to learn to use a number line for them, or any strategy, but we're using a number line for now. So instead of, let's put these over here, 45 plus 33 this way, they could use a number line. So I have a number line already set up, and we could say 45 plus a 10 jump, and this is what we work on in class. So they would say plus 10, and that would then need to be an additional plus 10. And each time that they are jumping a 10, they need to label it. 55, 65, that's 20. Now we need to do another 10 plus 10. That would make that 75. And then there are 3 ones that we used up here. I'm going to pull those over also and do 1 jumps. Plus 1 is 76. Plus 1 is 77. Plus 1 is 78. So when we back up, you can see that my number line shows that we jump by 10s from 45 to 55, 65, 75. And then we go down to 1, 76, 77, 78. The only other thing we need to add is an arrow on the end to show that we jumped in this direction. And then in the end, this is the result that they should then be drawing on their paper. Instead of using the 10 sticks and ones, they can just use their pencil to draw 10 jumps and 1 jumps. And we're also getting into them being able to use 5 jumps as they need to, or even 100 jumps as we progress.